I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1995 Chevy pickup. This is a 2500 series 4x4 with a 350 engine. I'm going to show you how to replace the front shock absorber. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 1/2 inch impact, 18mm socket, 3/8 air ratchet, another 18mm socket, 18mm wrench, penetrating oil, and some anti-seize. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. It's a KYB front shock absorber. So I jacked up the car and I positioned my jack stand underneath the frame. Some guys, they will put the jack stand underneath the control arm, which you can, but safety wise you're better off putting it under the frame first. And then with my floor jack, I'm going to be jacking up the lower control arm to relieve the pressure, the tension from the shock absorber. Okay, so I'm going to be jacking up the control arm right underneath the ball joint. So if you notice, the shock absorber is compressing right now. So that's what you want to happen. Okay, I'm going to be shooting some penetrating oil on these bolts. Make it a little bit easier to come off. Okay, first we're going to be removing this top bolt. So I got my 3/8 air ratchet. So we're going to be removing the lower bolt. Okay, removing the lower. Okay, I'm going to be putting on my new shock absorber. So I'm going to be putting some anti-seize on my lower bolt. So I'll be putting on the bolt. Okay, so we're going to be putting the top one on. Put some more anti-seize on. So I'm going to be tightening up the top bolt. Okay, so we're going to be tightening up the lower bolt. So that's how you replace a front shock absorber. If you're going to replace one, you always replace the other. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.